Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device so the change won't lose data. Sign into settings and confirm Wi-Fi or cellular is stable, then back up to iCloud immediately so you have a snapshot. Next, turn off Find My Apple requires this to sign out. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, scroll down and choose Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Make sure that local copies options are reviewed before you proceed, so contacts and photos remain where you expect them. You now create or sign into the iCloud ID you want to use. If creating, follow the prompts. Enter name, birth date, email, or create a new iCloud address and set a secure password, then verify the email with the code Apple sends. If signing in to an existing ID, type the Apple ID and password and complete two-factor authentication when prompted. Once authenticated, choose whether to merge local device data with the new iCloud account, so you preserve contacts, calendars, and Safari. You finish by confirming sync settings and validating purchases. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and enable the services you want, photos, backups, messages, so data begins syncing. Also check App Store and subscriptions. Purchases remain tied to the original Apple ID, so plan accordingly. If something goes wrong, sign out fully, restart the device, and sign in again. If two-factor codes fail or you can't sign out, contact Apple support for account recovery. One tip: keep both emails handy for verification steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.